Hey guys, it's New Year here. So look, it's a white New Year. Look at all those trees. Lahat na nababalutan ng niebe, yellow. So it's nice. So how's your New Year, guys? Place. So masyadong masyadong mayelo and so it's so cold right now. Hindi ka pwedeng hindi malamig sobra. Ano mo yung mga Christmas tree na parang yung mga puno namin para sila mga white Christmas tree. Look at that. And today it's New Year's Day. It's 1:20 in the afternoon, so mostly of the shop are closed. So yeah, yung trabaho ko hindi na-close. So this is our town. So yeah, because it's a New Year's Day, kaya walang gaano mga tao. Tahimik ngayon. So this is the way going to my house. Ayan. Sobrang lamig po, mga ka-pretty. Kamusta po yung mga Christmas and New Year nyo? So ako walang tulog after pumasok pa ako ng 5 AM this morning. And